It's late. The house is finally quiet, and yet your mind is still talking. Maybe you've already tried it. That deep, soft rumble that sounds a little like heavy rain or a distant waterfall. People online swear it helps them fall asleep. It's called brown noise. But does it actually work? And if it does, why? Tonight, let's take a calm, honest look at the sound that so many people fall asleep to. No hype, just what we really know. So first, what is brown noise really? Brown noise isn't named after the colour. It's named after a scientist, Robert Brown, and the idea of random, drifting motion. It's a sound made of many frequencies blended together, but with the deep, low tones turned way up. That's what gives it that heavy, rumbling quality. Think of a waterfall, heavy rain on a roof, the low hum of wind moving through a valley. You may have heard of its cousins too. White noise is bright and even, like radio static. Every frequency at the same level. Pink noise sits in the middle, a little softer, and brown noise is the deepest of the three, the lowest, the most grounding. None of them is better than the others, really. They're just different shades of the same idea. And brown noise is the one that feels like a deep, steady breath. Now, here's where I want to be honest with you, because it matters. If you search for proof that brown noise puts you to sleep, you'll find surprisingly little. Most sleep research has actually studied white noise. There's some promising work on pink noise, but brown noise itself, it's barely been studied at all. Doctors are careful here. One review of dozens of studies found only limited evidence that steady noise improves sleep, and in a few cases, it even got in the way. So no, we can't honestly say brown noise is a cure for sleeplessness. And yet, so many people feel calmer with it on. So what's happening? There are a few gentle explanations. First, brown noise masks the world. The creak of the house, a car outside, a partner turning over. All of it softens into one steady wash of sound. Second, it gives your busy mind something to rest on. Instead of chasing thoughts, your attention drifts onto that low, unchanging rumble. It's harder to spiral when there's a steady sound holding the space. And third, maybe the loveliest one, it becomes a signal. When you play the same sound every single night, your brain slowly learns this sound means it's time to let go. That's not magic. That's just a quiet little habit working for you. So if you'd like to try it, here's how to be kind to yourself and to your ears. Keep the volume low, gentle. You're not trying to drown the room out, just to soften its edges. Sleep doctors actually suggest using it in shorter stretches, especially as you're drifting off, rather than blasting it all night long. A timer is your friend here. Let the sound carry you through those first restless minutes, and then let the silence take over. And the most important part, your preference matters more than any chart or study. Some people melt into brown noise, others find pink noise softer, or prefer the open quiet of a still room. There's no wrong answer. The best sound for sleep is simply the one that helps you feel safe enough to let go. So treat it like an experiment of one. Try it for a few nights. Notice how you feel in the morning. Keep what works. Release what doesn't. So, where does that leave us? Brown noise isn't a miracle. The science is still young, still gentle, still unfolding. But for many of us, that deep, steady rumble does something quietly powerful. It covers the noise of the day, it slows the racing mind, and it whispers to the body that it's finally safe to rest. And maybe that's enough. Maybe sleep was never about forcing anything. Maybe it's about creating a small, soft signal and then simply allowing yourself to follow it down. So tonight, if your mind is still talking, let it, and let this deep, low sound hold a space around you until your thoughts grow soft and quiet and still. This has been Blue Star. Thank you for spending this quiet moment here with me. If these gentle nights help you, you're always welcome to stay and to come back whenever sleep feels far away. Rest well. We'll be here